Ms. Sumaira Abdul Ali is an environmentalist and a noise pollution activist.
Thank you for giving me this chance. I really appreciate that you have talked about reforms to the Police Act and to various other acts, the financial acts. I think one more area where the government has been very clear that development and environment should go hand in hand, and environment must be protected along with development. Perhaps we have a need for an environmental police as well. We have, right now we have officers who are not sufficiently trained, and the effects which are happening on environment are happening on our entire population, across from the lowest income groups to the highest. We need police who are properly trained, whether you call them police or you call them officers or anything else, but they need to have policing powers, they need to have the power of arrest, and we need to take environmental issues very, very seriously along with development. I would like to bring to your attention the sand mining which is happening around the state. I mean, development requires sand continuously. Sand mining is happening in places very, very close to Bombay, like Thane and Raigad districts. There are children who are involved in the thing. There are children as young as 11 and 12 whom I have seen with my own eyes and talked to. They go down, there are divers who dive down over 50 feet, there is no safety equipment. Many of them die, it's a human rights huge issue. We require sand for building, that is true. But can we find alternatives? We have a problem with dumping debris. A lot of our buildings are under reconstruction, not construction. Can we look at recycling this debris, making it mandatory for builders to recycle on site and use this debris to extract sand? We will not only save our natural sand reserves, but we will solve a huge problem of dumping. I would request you to look into these two issues. The last issue is this noise mapping which BMC is doing. Noise is one of the things, along with garbage collection, which is one of the most distinctive negatives of a person coming to India. Along with the Swachha Bharat Abhiyan, I believe that noise should be taken alongside. I support this noise mapping of the BMC, and I request that it should be taken very seriously and incorporated into the development plan. Thank you.
Sure, I will take note of this. Only thing I just want to respond to is, although for the alternatives we are looking at recycling, but so far as right now the sand mining is concerned, we are coming up with a new policy where there will be total surveillance, because as all of us know that when the sand area is auctioned, a little area is taken and entire dredging is done. So now we have enacted a new policy wherein there will be entire surveillance on the area, on the transportation vehicle. So at least to some extent we will be able to, insulate it.